Hi everyone. Today I want to discuss about the carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds having C double bond O group. In that, in PUC level or intermediate level, we have aldehydes, ketones, next carboxylic acids. These are having C double bond O group. If you take aldehyde, its general formula R C double bond OH. Ketone general formula R C double bond OR. Carboxylic acid R C double bond OH. In all, we have C double bond O group. This is called carbonyl group. Now, along with this, actually these two are considered first type. Along with this, some others also, they are called acid derivatives, are also called carbonyl compounds. What are the acid derivatives? Acid derivatives. In the acid derivatives, we have RC double bond OX, RC double bond OR, RC double bond ORC double bond O. This is called acid anhydride. This bond with the oxygen, single bond only, single bond that is. Next, RC double bond ONH2. This is amide. This is called amide. This is called acid anhydride. This is called esters. This is acid halide. Acid halide. X mean any one of the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Esters, it may be in the cyclic form also. C double bond O. Here CH2 taken in. What are the number of carbon? 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. That is depends on you. Whatever you want to take. This is ester. C double bond O. This R. Now here bonded like this. This cyclic esters. Cyclic esters are also known as lactones. Lactones. Next, this amides also having cyclic, that is C double bond O NH, and here also bond CH2 taken N. This is like this bonded cyclic. N may be 1, 2, 3, depends upon the number of carbons. This is called cyclic amides. Cyclic amides are known as a lactams. All these are carbonyl compound which are having the C double bond O group. These are type 1, first two, that is aldehyde and ketone, carboxylic acid, and all these are considered as a type 2. These type 1 undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Next, type 2 will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. All type 2 will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. That's why you have to very clear with this. Carbonyl compounds mean not only aldehyde ketone, these all are considered as a carbonyl compound, but aldehyde ketones will undergo nucleophilic addition reaction, and this remaining will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction, because compare with this H and R, here this is a living group. If you consider if these are not undergo substitution reaction. If you want to go nucleophilic substitution reaction, these are very poor living group. Here OH also poor living group, but somewhat compared with this hydrogen are a little bit good living group, and halogen OR, this remaining all are good living groups. not completely good leaving group. In this comparison, we just comparing with the hydrogen and R. So anyway, halogen is good leaving group. So these are undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Now, this aldehyde ketone carboxylic acids are widely spread in the plant and animal kingdoms. These aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids are widely spread in plant and animal kingdom. Generally, these are very important to play in our biological system, important role, that is called biochemical reaction. These are very important in the biochemical reactions. You will know in the further studies. So now, and these are also add fragrance and flavor. For example, few compounds we will discuss now. What are the compounds add the fragrance and flavor? One is here OH, OCH3 and here CHO. This is called vanillin. Next, another one is known as salicylaldehyde. Next, another one is known as cinnamaldehyde. Keep in mind, these common names are very important because instead of using IUPAC name, common name only frequently used, that is called cinnamaldehyde, salicylaldehyde, vanillin, and sometimes camphor also. It may be not given in the book, but camphor also one of the carbonyl compound it having the keto group. If you want, I will give its structure. This is here keto group, and we have like this two methyl group and here one methyl group. This is called camphor. This vanillin is, it means extracted from vanilla bean. Next, salicylaldehyde is extracted from meadowsweet. These are the some plants from that they are extracted. Cinnamaldehyde is also extracted from the one of the plant that is called cinnamon. It having cinnamon flavor. All these are generally used in the some food materials, perfumes, inhalation, ice cream, drugs, like this resins, paints, fabric. In all this we are using this aldehyde ketone compound. These are having the good fragrance and flavor. That's why we are using in the all food material, pharmaceuticals and perfumes. Very useful. And one of the compound we will know that acetone. Acetone formula we know that is C double bond O C. This is paint what you call nail polish removal. Acetone is not the actually it's a common name. What you call general common name. It is a what do you call historical common name. This is historical common. This is called acetone. And next, acetophenone also having the one of the importance here. This is benzene and here C double bond O and CH3. This is called acetophenone. Acetophenone having the one of the flavor is or order pista. What do you call pistachio? Like this given in the textbook somewhere. Nothing but pista flavor. This is. It is generally used in the ice creams. This is generally used for inhalation process. This is cinnamon, we know generally used in the food materials and drugs also. And next, this vanilla, this is having the vanilla flavor. It is also used in the food, perfumes. So many uses will be there with this carbonyl compound. These are just introduction. So now nomenclature. But one more thing we have to remember, that the very important thing is what do you call formalin. This formalin nothing but in book to book some small percentage difference will be there. That is called generally 40 percentage of what do you call formaldehyde, aqueous formaldehyde, aqueous solution of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde formula HCHO. This is so this 40%. In some books are given 37 to 40. Okay, generally you can say one of the book 40 given, that you have to stick with that any one percentage. Now what is the formalin formula? They may ask. Formalin is nothing but this is formaldehyde. This will undergo hydration. This is called addition reaction. Then we will get here 2OH group. When aldehyde undergo hydration, then we will get like this formula. This is called formalin. Then you may be asked the question here, when two hydroxy group on the same carbon, then it is unstable. Then again it will undergo reverse reaction also. It is reversible reaction. But compared with the other aldehyde ketone, the formation of it means reaction with the water molecule, its reactivity is greater. Its reactivity means formaldehyde reactivity is greater than the other aldehyde and ketone, because there is no any bulky group. That's why its reactivity is more. So somewhat better existence. If you consider K equilibrium, it is greater than 99% this hydration reaction. So next, nomenclature. In the nomenclature, aldehydes if you consider, aldehyde, alkane plus al, this is a suffix name, this is a generally alkane. In the remove e and read the complete name, that is called alkanol. Keep in mind the functional group suffix name is not designated with the numerical, with only for aldehyde. For ketone it is denoted, because when the terminal functional group is there, it carries always first number. That's why no need to denote its number or locand number. Next, ketones. Ketones name is alkane plus one is a suffix name, remove e, then we will get the alkanone. E removed, then one. Alkanone only one word. Next, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid IUPAC name separately we will discuss later, but here what is the name that I want to discuss? That is alkane plus oic acid is a suffix name. Here also remove e, then we will get the here alkanoic acid. Here also no need to represent the its locand number, where it is located, first number, second number, because always terminal functional group carries the first number. Remaining its continuation nomenclature we will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.